Connect the fiber belt to the hanging beam with a hook. Fix the boom with hanging holes with bolts. Follow these steps to install all fiber straps and suspenders. Connect EA500C3 rental LED display to the hanging rod through the two quick locks on the top of the cabinet. Connect two adjacent LED displays through left and right quick locks. Connect two panels and booms with connectors. Follow these steps to install the first row of cabinets. Raise the truss and install the second row of cabinets. Connect the LED display through the up, down, left, and right quick locks. Connect the adjacent four panels through the connecting piece. Follow the steps below to install all rental LED displays. Make power and data connections to all LED display panels. After the installation is complete, power on and test the rental LED screen.